There comes the first lighting home run in the building. Oops, sorry guys. See how this goes. Now if this was a longer run, I have a fiberglass fish tape that I'd be using instead. I don't care for the metal ones. Simple reason, I've seen too many people jam those, run those into a panel box and hit a bus bar. It could ruin your whole day. So I gotta set up my spools too. But right now this will work. Now, if this was a longer run, it'd be like pushing a car uphill with a rope. If my spools weren't all beat up, it'd probably be a little smoother. So we're running number 12 THNN up to that first lighting circuit box. And then we're going to pull it all the way across. We're going to pull it all the way across to the second box. Pick that up, and then everything else is run with MC cable. Oh, look at that. Now, let's see if I can feed this out without losing it. You guys look and see who is still here. Our buddy Thomas. Thomas Russell. Should call him Thomas Jr. This damn frog just does not want to leave. He likes it here. And he's always on my bench. He's always on something. I gotta move you, buddy, because I gotta make a video here. Let's just set you right over here. Okay, get off my hand. Come on. I'm offering you a shot off of my hand. It's not a place to get comfortable. This frog's been out here for over a month. Okay, you look like you're... There you go. There. Now he's on a paintbrush. Tonight we were just finishing up, putting in some lights. So these are Lithonia lighting. Contractor Select. Sounds official, doesn't it? These are 4 foot long, 36 watt LED lights. They are 3200 lumens. And at the local Blows, they were $27 a fixture. You can go on to Amazon and get comparable lights for a lot less. I'll throw some in the links. But to be honest with you, I've looked at some of those and these seem to be built a little bit sturdier. No, there's nothing too fancy, nothing too complicated about these. They just work, and that's all I care about. Don't need it for anything else. Of course, they put a lot of tape on these. I don't know what these manufacturers, all their tape. Yeah, that blade's spanked. But it'll work for now. So these are plug-in fixtures. They do have a ground, which I don't like. If I buy lights in this style, I like making sure they have a ground. I really don't like buying them that don't. Nothing too fancy here. And the rain's starting. And they come with a set of chains. It's only like 10-inch chains, which is actually perfect for what I want, because I want to keep these as tight to the ceiling as I can. So we'll put them up and carry on, I suppose. Well, what do you guys think? So this is the first time I've been able to run the camera out here since, well, let me see. Probably since before we had boards on the side of this thing without some kind of a film light sitting in my face so it doesn't mess the camera all up. Usually without any color grading, stuff like that, it's really orange in here. So we're going to see how that turns out tonight in editing. But, so anyway, we have some lights up. They're on a switch, all that good stuff. I didn't show everything I did with them, but so anyway, I only have 5 fixtures up right now. I want to get about 11 more down here in the first floor, so I have 2 in every section. You know, like I said, at 3,200 lumens, that's pretty good. That's not too bad, not for the price of them. I will try some of the other fixtures out I mentioned, see how they go. They're cheap enough. You know, you can get, I saw some 5-pack for like 60 bucks or 4-pack or something like that, 69 bucks, I can't remember, but that's really not too bad. About $10 less a fixture, if I remember right. I think it was $17.50 per fixture, so whatever that works out to, but it's about $10 less than what I paid for these, but I think these are just fine. They're nice and light. I just have them hanging from chains with drywall screws. They shouldn't go anywhere. So I've got them plugged into receptacles. The receptacles are switched. So it just makes it really easy for me if I ever have to change one of these fixtures, just take it down, throw a new one up without having to unwire or turn everything else off. So that's kind of handy. But the other thing about these are good down to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. So we will definitely be able to test that out this winter, see how they work when it gets that cold. Granted, this section, the forging area, should be heated up pretty well most of the time, but we'll just see what happens. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.